but with a little warmth and wonder, and a press held in my hand. I'm saving bits of sunshine from this wild and lovely land. So let's press the flowers, keep the moments bright, hold a little piece of nature in the softest light. Colors stay forever when you press them close and true. A tiny bloom of magic, saved just for me and you. Lavender and daisies, all the blossoms that I find, I tuck between the layers like sweet secrets left behind. Minutes turn to memories as the colors settle in, and suddenly the fleeting feels like it won't fade again. So let's press the flowers, keep the moments bright, hold a little piece of nature in the softest light. Colors stay forever when you press them close and true. A tiny bloom of magic, saved just for me and you. It's like catching morning sunlight or the hush of early dew. Every petal tells a story, and I'm saving them with you. So let's press the flowers, keep the moments bright, hold a little piece of nature in the softest light. Colors stay